So we're here at the personal care and hygiene section of Beautyworld Middle East 2019. Nearly 200 exhibitors are in this particular section, including YOPE, a Polish manufacturer of personal care products. I have with me Simona Majewska, the head of export at YOPE. Thank you very much. You're quite new to the market. Tell us about YOPE.
Well, YOPE, it's a perfect company. This is the first thing that I can tell about the company. It is fresh on the market, that's true. But on the other hand, we already have this knowledge how to do good products. We do that in Poland. You can find our products in Poland in the chains like Superfarm or Hebe. And from the last year, we decided to export the products. And that's what we do. That's why we are here looking for the new clients and distributors.
What was the first product that YOPE actually manufactured?
Okay, I'll show you that. Hand soaps. These were the first products that we made, and we are really proud of it because on each bottle you can see the number of the natural ingredients that we have inside the product. So 92, 92, 98, depending on the product range. We started with the hand soaps, however, then we expanded. We added body lotions, we added hand creams, shampoos, conditioners, shower gels, also products for the kids that you can see here. They are quite cool. These are the new ones, like shower gels for kids that we...
And even you have what sort of the kitchenware as well, kitchen soaps.
We wanted to have like two lines, the one which is good for the body and the second one which is also for the home. So we want to make sure that the client can take care of the body in the proper way. We also take care of the environment really strong because we are now exchanging the bottles into recycled plastic. So it's going to be only made from the recycled plastic. And we also wanted to have the line for the household which is safe for environment.
So a key aspect of YOPE is, of course, natural sort of products. You obviously like to recycle everything. All your sort of ingredients tends to have more than 90% natural aspects to it.
Three key features of the products. For me, the most important. So the design, yes, as you can see, we cooperate with Polish artists while creating the labels. Also the formulas, which are natural, and we really take care of that. So our laboratory is working very hard to create the formulas which are safe for the clients, and also the smells, so the fragrances, which are very unique.
Another aspect of YOPE is your Tga Formula, and one of your products here is comprising of a... Should we go have a quick look at that? Yeah. So Martina, here we are with the soap with Tga Formula. What is Tga exactly?
Well, Tga is our secret formula, which is not so secret. It's consisting of oils making the product foam better, which was very important for us because clients which are not accustomed to use the natural products, the natural soaps, they were complaining that the products are not foaming, they don't have the same texture as the standard soaps. So we were working really hard on the formula, like Tga Formula, which is making the product foam better. But not only that, it's also for the sensitive skin, so it's really a very nice product. It's selling very well, for example, in the UK.
Now, you are here at Beautyworld Middle East 2019, obviously looking for distributors of your products as a retail point and supermarkets, hypermarkets. This particular product would look nice in hotels as well.
Of course, and what more, we can do private label in our company, so if the hotels are looking for the smaller sizes, we can do that too. So this is also very important about the company, that we have this backup in factories, and we are very proud of that. But definitely it would look nice in hotels, so in case we find any interest there, of course we'll go there.
Well, Martina, thank you very much for your time. And if you're looking for some good personal care hygiene products, soaps, liquids, creams, and also kitchenware as well, cleaning products, come down to YOPE stand here at Beautyworld Middle East 2019.